squad going on. Oh my God.
Just let me remind them. Just let me remind them. I would never fall, no. I've been on my mind, yeah, it's like I'm going bozo. Wish I can rewind it, play it back in slow-mo. It be perfect timing and I won't build no show to my
YouTube, man, what's on, man? Hey, y'all see what I got on, man. It's finna get crazy today, man. It's finna get crazy today, man. Y'all can tell by the title, it's early. It's like 7 in the morning. But we finna go crazy today, man. Enough, I ain't, you know what I'm saying, doing too much talking. You know, y'all know I don't do all that, you feel me? I leave that for the other guys. I just, you know, I just keep this shit play up, man. Make sure y'all leave a thumbs up for the video, man. Comment, spam the comments, man. Subscribe to the channel. We going up and we finna have some fun today, man. So I'ma vlog it. Yeah, man, we just finna get down, shoot a movie. So we gonna catch y'all. Look at this shit here. Man. 2 bikes. Man, we about to have fun. Look at it, man. You know what I'm saying? Say hi. You too tired? Okay. She's too tired, guys. Where we at, man?
I ain't know my life been down here. I think some motherfucker where we at. Damn.
But I'll be scared though. You know how the movie, them folk knock on the door? You come inside and them folk never see you again.
She turned to a horror movie.
See that voodoo, remember that voodoo movie we watched? Whatever I do to you, or him, happen to you. Hey. Oh yeah, they gonna be, I like the setup already.
I'm trash. I told him motherfucker darn time.
No, when I get out, I'm getting straight to ride. No, I don't wait on me. No.
Pop shit.
I'm going straight to ride. Hey, look at that water right there. I want to see one of them go through there.
I'm going straight through.
No, we're not.
I mean, they got a pulley on their junk, so if it gets stuck.
Go crazy right now. My tongue out.
What that is you got? You know what I'm saying? We got the bike side, sunny side. Look at them boys right there. Coming in hot. Woo! Oh yeah. Yeah, that thing nasty. This setup so nasty, y'all. Came in this bit thumping. Look at that. Then bro, we are not playing, man. When we pop out, we do it big, man. Look at that, man. We outside. Got all kinds of bikes out this thing, man. Yeah. Yes, sir. Man, them things hard. Look how we coming over. I'm in my mode now. I'll just catch y'all when we get out there.
Oh, it's a deep end out there, that man said. Don't go in it, we gonna have to come get y'all. He said, don't even stick your nanny.
I ain't getting no water, no dirt bike.
He said for cover. They don't look deep.
Deep, ain't it? You go in there, the whole bike go in the water.
Right, two ain't gonna hurt me.
What y'all talking about? Took what?
No, he's talking about like boy just sitting up high. Nah, that's how I just go around.
Then let's still do the bet. What's up? We here now. I already offered Mill the bet. He ain't want to do it. I said $20 for a race. That ain't nothing.
Right.
Go back
Why
and
would you do that?
apologize.
Suit hard.
Yeah,
I mess with the suit, man. Mess with the drip. My jump, man. My goggle, man. My little jump.
Got mud.
Squad over there. They loaded. Hey, he look legit, but is he legit though? You look up the par. You look up the par, but is he gonna translate though? I don't know if it's gonna translate. Oh, them boys got a whole squad going on. Oh my God. I'm way better than him. I'm way better than him. Oh, him? Yeah, he.
That ain't shit.
That ain't nothing. They jump just loud. That's the aftermarket is also telling you back. They jump loud, ain't it? Them boys over there, no shirt, but them boys hard coat. My bike gonna overheat messing with y'all, Amir. My bike gonna overheat messing with y'all, bro. Fuck this bike, man.
Keep going, go. Keep going.
Alright, y'all, so we are here in the next day, man. So y'all seen what happened to my bike. It overheated. I don't know, I guess the dude, what he was saying, maybe it's like a missing ring. I don't know, but I think it's time to sell it, man. So we gonna see It's the aftermath of everything. But y'all see that. We rode good. We had a good time though, man. It was a very amazing day. I just wish it went a little smoother. You know what I'm saying? But next time we do something like that, man, shit gonna be even more a movie, bro. Saying got the Raptor dirty for the first time. My bike really dirty for the first time. But yeah, man, like I said, I got a little frustrated. I ain't gonna cap, after that shit happened, I was stuck in sin. I was like, I wouldn't even think about, you know what I'm saying, all the other shit. So yeah, man, that's what ended up happening. It's time to sell a bike. Sell the bike. I promise you, man, the next bike I'm getting is gonna be electric start. Now, I'm tired of kicking bikes, bro. Like, bro, I kicked that bike like 20 times. It still went crank, man. So we gonna see what's wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? We gonna keep going up. So yeah, we about to wash these bikes off, man. About to wash them off, put them up, and we gonna live to see another day. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. More bangers on the way. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, everything I do, y'all gonna see it. So that being said, man, y'all know what I end the video with, man. Don't be like me, do it bigger than me. We're gonna catch y'all for sure.